Hello, student. Good morning. Democracy and Government, Chapter 22 from Civics. Answer the following question. Number 1. State 3 points on the right which form basis of democratic government. A democratic government is a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. Whose view should we accept when so many people are involved in taking a decisions and why? In a democracy, the opinion of majority is accepted, but the opinion of minority is also respected. Number 3. Why did Indian opt for representative democracy? Explain. In a vast country like India, it is difficult to devise a methods for the direct participation of the people in the governments of the country. Therefore, the representative democracy is adopted in India. Under this system, people elect their representative who govern on their behalf. This means India is indirected by the people through their elected representatives like Punch, municipal councillor, member of legislative assemblies, or member of parliament. Question number 4. Mention any three advantages of a democratic setup. तीन विशेषताएं बतानी है डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप का. थ्री एडवांटेज ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. इट ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स थ्रू डिस्कशन, प्रिकॉशन एंड कॉम्प्रोमाइज. देयर इज नो प्लेस फॉर कोएरिजन एंड violence in democracy. Democracy stands for gradual change in a society in the social, economic, and political field. Democracy aims at social, economic, and political equalities. 5. How do people guard their own rights and freedom guaranteed to them by the Constitution? Explain. Right to vote and to elect representative is given to all the adults without any discrimination. This right forms the very basis of democratic government at various levels in India. People's participation does not end after the election. It also to be seen when government is formed by the elected representative, they closely watch the activity of various departments of the government and citizens criticize also. Require they also guard their own right and freedom given by the Indian Constitution. For thanks for watching.